Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool design here, and basically what this is a mini exercise bike that you can either use underneath your desk, or if you guys want to put it onto your table to use as an arm workout, you do have the option available as well. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Niceday, and this is basically what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys do open it, you can see how everything is all well protected, but let's take it out. So when you guys do take it out, this is basically what the inside looks like. Let's cut off all the tape and then show you guys what it looks like when you guys do take it out. So once you guys take everything out, this is everything that's included inside. So they basically give you guys the legs. Right here we do have the actual device. Right here I'm assuming is the pedal option for you guys to screw on the side right here. Here we do have the tool for you guys to set it up, maybe for the screws that's on here. And then right here you can see they do provide the battery for the device, and they provide guys like the user manual and everything else. Alright, so I just looked at the instruction manual to see how to set it up. It's actually very easy and very simple. So pretty much when you guys set it up for both the legs, the long one right here should be in the back, and the smaller one should be in the front right here. And it should be facing this way and this way when you guys set it up. And you guys are gonna need to use this tool right here and the screws to actually set it up. So let's do that first. So what I'm gonna do is go like this and put the screw inside to screw it on for both of them. Do the same thing for the back one. Once you guys finish that, you have to flip it back to the other side. But you can see on the bottom part of the product, they do have like the non-slip material. So that way when you guys put it on the ground, it won't move around. Same thing for the front one as well. But for the front one right here, it allows you guys to turn it. So that way you make it higher or lower based on your own preference if you guys want to tilt it or something. So that's actually really cool. Now let's flip it back the other way and we'll put on the pedal. So on the pedal on the side right here, they do label L and R. So there is no which side is which. This side right here is L and the other side is R. And the way how I know it because it's labeled on here. So what you're gonna do is unscrew this part out, and you probably need to use the tool to actually take it out. And what you have to do is turn it to unlock it. Once you guys loosen it up, you have to take it out. That way you fit this inside right here and turn it. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once you guys got it all the way in, you guys want to put this part back on to secure it in. Then you guys want to use a tool to actually tighten it up. Alright, so that should be good. What you're going to do now is to put the strap on. So the side that only has two is the one you guys want to put inside, and the other side you want to put the one or more. So you basically want to clip onto the side right here and here. Alright, we got one of them in. Let's do the same thing for our side. So just like that. Now you guys want to do the same thing for our side. Alright, so that should be good. And the next thing they provided for you guys is the anti-skid strap that you can use if you guys do want to. And basically what that is for is so that way you can put it into the front part right here to strap it onto your chair to prevent it from moving when you guys do use it. And obviously it depends on where you guys do use it. If you guys use it on the surface where the non-slip material on the bottom will not work, then that is basically where that comes in handy. For this test, I will not show that, but if you guys want to use it, feel free to do so. Next thing, let's take this part out to show you guys how to put the battery. So the cool thing about the product is the fact that for this part right here is movable. So if you guys only want to use this part right here, feel free to do so. But if you guys do take it out, there's basically a battery compartment inside and one right here as well. So I have to open it. Both of them does require a AA battery, which they do provide guys right here. So let's put it in for both of them. So put it inside right here first. And let's close it up. And then now let's put the other one right here. And close it up as well. Once you guys put the battery inside, this is basically what the product looks like. So really cool how it is removable for you guys to take it out if you guys do need to. But basically for the product, there is a reset button, a mode button, and a set button. So if you guys press on the mode button, it shows you guys different stuff on here. So there's time, there's speed, distance, calories, ODO, and battery time. If you guys press on reset, that'll basically reset everything on here. So I'm assuming the way how to design the product, it has some way to actually sync it onto the actual part right here. So that way you know the speed on here, which is pretty cool. And there's a magnetic option in the back to hold it in place. So if I do put it together, that is what the product looks like. So once you guys put everything together, this is basically what the final product looks like. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it does have an app option for you guys to connect it on here to track your data if you guys do want to. So they do provide you guys all the information right here if you guys do want to use it. So I'm actually download the app to show you guys what it looks like really quick. So this is the app that you guys want to download, which is called Keynote Map. So I'll tell you guys to create an account. So I'm actually do that first. So once you guys finish downloading the app, what you're gonna do is click right here and click on add device and select what you guys want to add. And once you guys get to this page, you guys want to press on FTMS, which is right here, and it found it. Once it found the device, the eventually is connected. So we do press on it. Once you guys press on it, it basically shows you guys all the data on here. So if you guys start using it, let's see what happens. So you can see when I'm using it, it actually shows the data on here. So really cool, I'll show you guys the data on here. And once you guys turn it off, you guys can use it back here, which is pretty cool. So there's basically two ways for you to look at data, one on your phone or one on here. So very easy and very simple for you guys to use both options. But now to show you guys the actual product to show you guys what's on here. So obviously on the bottom leg, like I mentioned, it won't move around because of that non-slip material, which is pretty nice. Then part right here, we do have the option for you guys to increase the actual resistance. So if you guys bring it all the way down, that is the highest. If you guys bring it all the way up, that is the lowest. On the side of the product, you see it does say Niceday, which is brand name. And when you guys do carry the product, it definitely feels pretty lightweight. It's not heavy at all, which is pretty nice. And basically on both sides, we do have the pedal that we just set up for you guys to use if you guys do want to. And like I mentioned, the way how I designed the product allows you guys to use it for your feet, or you can use it for arm workout. Let me show you guys a quick little test in terms of arm workout of how it works. So if you guys are doing arm workout, you probably want to increase the resistance. So let's do bring it down. Let's give it a try. So it's pretty easy. Let's bring it all the way down. So when I bring it all the way down, the resistance level on here is actually pretty strong. I can definitely feel the workout on here when I do use it for my arm, especially the way how I designed this part right here. It does give you guys a very good grip because it's like curved, which is pretty nice. And if you guys want to flip it to the other side, you do have the option to use this side for your feet, but definitely feels really nice when you guys use it for your arm workout. But so far I can see that it's a pretty cool product how allow you guys to use it for your feet or leg workout, or you can use it for arm workout as well. But now let's put this on the ground and see how it feels as well. Let's test it out to see how it feels. So when you guys do use it, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely has a good amount of resistance on here, but not a lot. I feel like for this resistance level on here, it's still pretty easy for me. But I guess if you guys use it for a long period of time, then it will get pretty tiring. But eventually when you guys use the product, it still shifts a little bit. So that's probably why they give you guys that strap option if you guys want to put it on. But definitely when you guys use the product, eventually it actually works pretty well. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up and use it. Eventually it definitely does work. But now to come boxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality mini exercise bike. They allow you guys to use it as a leg workout and also like an arm workout as well. And also give you guys the option to connect it onto the app. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.